Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to create Studio Ghibli style art with ChatGPT. Let's have a look. First, you need to visit official ChatGPT website at chatgpt.openai.com, or you can open Play Store or App Store to download ChatGPT. Search for ChatGPT. Tap ChatGPT OpenAI. Install ChatGPT on your smartphone. When ChatGPT installed, open ChatGPT on your smartphone. Sign in with your email address or phone number. Once logged in, upload a clear front-facing photo. To do this, tap plus sign, then tap Photos. Choose the photo you wish to transform from your device and wait for it to upload fully. After your photo is uploaded, enter a detailed prompt to guide the AI in creating your Ghibli style image. You can type convert this photo into a Studio Ghibli style animation. Press enter to submit the prompt. The AI will process your request, typically taking a few seconds to a minute depending on server load. Once generated, your Ghibli style image will appear in the chat window. Download your new image by tapping on it to view in full. Then tap Save button from bottom menu. From here, you can also share your image. In Photos, you will see your saved Ghibli style photos. So these are the steps to create Studio Ghibli style art with ChatGPT. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.